Welcome to our definitive guide on crafting effective lesson plans, a journey towards educational excellence. This foundational segment will deep dive into the art and science of lesson planning, essential for delivering a successful curriculum and fostering an engaging learning environment. We'll explore why planning is paramount in organizing content, selecting learning materials, and devising strategies to facilitate an enriching learning experience. Prepare to gain insights that will empower you with the skills to create lesson plans that are not only pedagogically sound, but also creative and inspiring. Stay with us as we embark on this enlightening journey. Today marks a crucial chapter in our educational voyage, understanding and defining our objectives. It's pivotal to anchor our plans in the purpose of our teachings before venturing into curriculum alignment or lesson content. This segment is dedicated to unraveling the essence of crafting clear, achievable learning objectives, the lighthouses guiding our lesson planning journey. By aligning these objectives with the curriculum, every step forward builds upon the last, setting the stage for impactful and engaging lesson plans. Let's explore together, shaping the future, one objective at a time. Incorporating technology into the educational realm opens unprecedented avenues for making lessons more interactive, accessible, and engaging. This segment explores how digital resources transform the educational landscape, offering personalized experiences, instant feedback, and collaborative opportunities that transcend traditional classroom boundaries. Strategic integration of technology amplifies learning outcomes, preparing students for tomorrow's challenges. Let's delve into selecting the right digital tools, ensuring they supplement and enhance the learning experience effectively. The heart of every lesson pulsates with the power to engage, inspire, and educate. This segment delves into designing learning activities that captivate students' interests and align with educational objectives. Engagement and education harmonize in these activities, unlocking students' potential. The focus is on understanding students and crafting an environment that excites and educates, weaving insights into our activity designs. Up next, adapting lessons to meet the diverse needs of our learners, ensuring inclusivity and effectiveness in our teaching strategies. Differentiated instruction represents a crucial step in addressing the diverse tapestry of learners within our classrooms. This segment explores the art of adapting teaching strategies, materials, and assessments to cater to various student needs. It emphasizes the transition from a teacher-centered to a learner-centered approach, ensuring every student's learning style is acknowledged and supported. With ongoing assessment and observation, we tailor our methods, fostering an environment where every learner feels valued, understood, and adequately challenged. At this pivotal stage, assessment and feedback, we reflect on our teaching impact and student learning experiences. Designing assessments that truly capture the intended learning outcomes and providing constructive feedback highlights the art and science of teaching. This dual role of measuring and mentoring empowers both educators and students to engage more deeply with the material, informing teaching strategies for better alignment with student needs. Through effective assessments and meaningful feedback, we forge a path towards continuous improvement and educational success. Technology in education is not just about integrative tools, but about preparing for an increasingly digital future. This segment sheds light on how the thoughtful adoption of digital tools can make learning more dynamic, fostering an engaging and inclusive learning environment. We'll guide you through practical strategies for technology use in teaching, highlighting how to enrich the educational experience through appropriate digital resources. The aim is to not only equip students with knowledge, but also digital fluency. This segment, while acknowledging the constraints on creating excessively long content, focuses on time management in lesson planning. Effective time management is crucial in maximizing both teaching and learning experiences, ensuring that educative goals are met within the constraints of classroom time. We delve into strategies for organizing your lesson plans, pacing content delivery, and engaging students promptly and effectively. As we approach the culmination of our journey, reflection and revision stand central to enhancing our craft. This reflective practice allows educators to ponder upon what strategies succeeded and what needs reiteration. An ongoing commitment to revise and adapt ensures lessons remain impactful, engaging, and in alignment with educational goals. Engage in this endless cycle of improvement, fueled by introspection, to nurture an environment ripe for the growth and success of both teachers and students. Having navigated the comprehensive process of crafting effective lesson plans, we underscore the transformative power of thorough planning. This journey has armed educators with essential tools and strategies to create a dynamic learning environment. As we conclude, remember, your role is pivotal in sculpting educational experiences that shape future generations. Integration of insights, experimentation with new ideas, and a commitment to continuous learning underscore your impact. The journey doesn't end, it evolves, inviting continuous engagement with innovative teaching techniques and the embracing of challenges with confidence.